This is a lion, the king of jungle. This is a cow, it gives us milk. This is an elephant, big and strong. This is a dog who is brave and funny. This is a cat who is smart and playful.